Now we're gonna get right into that core, guys. Are you ready? Stay with me, watch what I do. All right, so get those hands behind your head, elbows wide. You wanna bring those knees up to your elbows. Ha. 2, 3, 4, that's right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Let's go. 1. This is all core workout, guys. You can do it. Crunch. Get that knee up high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now, I want you to get those feet wider than your hips. Sit in your squat. Punch it out. Ha, 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 ha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, remember, we did this in the warm-up. Punch, cross, punch, cross, punch, cross. You're twisting at the navel. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right back to our knee ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 10 more. Oh no, but we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 punches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay with me, guys. You can do it. Punch across that body. Twist at the torso. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to our knee ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last time, punch it out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep those shoulders down. Don't do this. Shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Shake it off. Breathe. Sip your water. Okay? All right, you should feel that burn. We can do abs standing up. Next movement we're doing. Watch what I do. I reach up. I touch my knee or my toe. I have that flexibility where I can touch my toe. So I'm here. Do not do this. It's not this. We're trying to force our abs, our core to work. So keep those arms up high. Lift the foot up towards your hand. Your hand lowers down towards your toe. Okay? I'm still standing tall, but I'm using my core to lower my hand to meet my foot. Okay? Here we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now watch this. We're gonna come back to a fighter stance. You see that? Fighter stance. Then I punch. 1, then I punch again. 2, then I knee, right? Punch, punch, knee. Punch, punch, knee. Let's go. Punch, punch, knee. Now we're gonna pick it up. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, 1, 2, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try the other side. All right, again. Here we go. Going back to our leg lifts, and then we'll punch out on the other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. We got this. Come on. 5, 6. Stay with me. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, fighter stance. One foot forward. I've got my right forward. My back foot behind me. A little slightly out to the left. Guard up. So we punch with the right, punch with the left, knee up to the chest. Punch with the right, punch with the left, knee up to the chest. We're still working core here with this movement. So is punch, punch, knee. Punch, punch, knee. Punch, punch, knee. Here we go, picking up. Punch, punch, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay strong. 7, 8, 9, and 10. One last round. Here we go. Arms up. Touch those toes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got this. 1, 2, high. 3, 4. We got friends, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Get into that fighter stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. I'm getting right into it. Don't wait. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And done. Let's go back. Toes, toes, toes. I can't even start talking now because I'm messing up my words. That's when you know you're getting your heart rate up when you're messing up your words. That's a good thing, not a bad thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did a little extra credit there. Let's go. With that punch, get that guard up and hit it. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2, knee. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes, you got it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Woo! Shake it off. Standing core abs.